In front of me is Google Pixel 5, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So at first you need to enroll the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now locate About Phone. And also open. Here scroll a bit lower, actually not a bit but to the bottom of the list, where you will notice build number. You need to click on it 7 times. And as you can see now, you are a developer. So let's go to the previous page and enter system. Enroll advanced options, and from now on you will be able to find here developer mode. To open, just tap on developer options, and here you've got access to all the features, all the operations that can be applied from this panel. So for example, if you want to force RTL layout direction, just mark the switcher, and as you can see now it's perfect for left-handed people. To turn it off, just mark it again. And this is how it works for any of those operations. Whenever you'd like to turn developer mode off, just unmark the switcher, and as you can see it is no longer active. Then whenever you would like to turn it on again, you will have to perform the same trick one more time. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.